sometimes when you do a search and you get all the big list that you can go to search, that will take you to a web page, but you're not necessarily at the home page of that website. That's just one page of it. So you can go to the little menu at the top and click home, and that will take you to the main web page, or the home page. Now, this is where it's a bit confusing. What's a web page and what's a website? And are they one word or two words? Is it web site or website? Is it web page or web page? Guess what? It's both. I've Googled it extensively, and you can do, if you want to make it a compound word, go for it. If you want to make it two words, go for it. Okay. But what's the difference between the two? So, the web page is one page of that site. So when you do that big search, you click on it, you're clicking on a web page. You're not clicking on the website, all right? So we're going to put this one over here. So it's one page of the text. Now, a word or phrase used to search for information on the internet or within a website, that's called your search term. So those words that we were typing in when we were looking for adult learner books, high, low interest, those were our search terms. So those are the words. So in your thing, you would say to me, I typed the search term, The Outsiders, into the Google search box. Okay, that's your search term. A collection of related web pages belonging to an organization or a person. That's your website. So when you go to the Regional Connections website, you can view many different web pages. So think of it that way. The website is like your book. The page is one page within that website. Does that make sense? It's a little confusing because people use them interchangeably. They use website, web page, myself included, which can be kind of confusing. Okay? Search box. Yes, that's that blank box on a website or a search engine. What's a search engine? Is it in your car? What's a search engine? What's our favorite search engine?
Google.
Google. What's another search engine that nobody ever uses? Bing. Yahoo. Can you guys think of some others? Bing, Yahoo, Internet Explorer is another search engine. We don't use those ones because Google Chrome is the one that's the one we use most, right? Okay. So that's a search box. That's that blank little box. So you're going to need to know that because you're going to tell me, I went to the search box, type this in. Okay? Search results, yes, that's the list of links to web pages, often thousands, that are found by the search engine as a result of a search when you do your search term, right? Now, we know we don't look at those thousands. We usually go for number 1 or number 2, number 3, making sure we're not just on an ad, okay? Limit an internet search, that's choosing search terms in a way that gives you the shorter and more accurate list of search results. So that's what we were practicing just now when we were looking. And scroll, to move up and down on your computer screen. So we do a lot of scrolling. Yeah, does anybody here have a touch screen on their laptop?
No.
I had one student who did once, and she would always ask me questions, and then I would say, oh, well, you do this, and then boom, 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 it would like change, and it was freaky. Anyway, okay.